I'm Brian Hobson. Today on TeeJet Tech Tips, we're going to talk about removing your current electronics or lack thereof off of your sprayer so we can add new electronics out of our golf course kits. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start up here up front, and we're going to remove, this is a TeeJet 744 switch box. We're going to remove it. Start by cutting our zip ties off of our existing cables. And then we're just going to verify that we've got all of them cut so we can easily remove all of our cables. We'll raise the seat up. We'll cut the cables that are down in here. Make sure that we've got all of them out of the way. Everything down there is good. And then it's pretty simple from there. We just start removing harnessing. Oh, I missed a zip tie somewhere. Most of the time it helps if you also remove power during this process. So there's half of the harness for the 744 switch box. We'll just take this off. Set this to the side for now. And then we'll take the existing harnessing off of our current manifold that is on our sprayer. So we'll undo our regulating valve and then our ball valves, section valves. As you can see, this is a pretty easy process. We're going to have this thing uninstalled from here in just a matter of minutes. And then we have our pressure transducer down here that we won't be needing anymore, so we'll just remove it the old-fashioned way. And we've got one other valve here. There we go. Had the wire hung up. So, it's that simple on pulling off your existing harnessing. And if you don't have any existing harnessing or existing rate control, that step there becomes a whole lot easier for you to remove the current electronics that are on there.